Students, now I am going to show you some bones of human skeleton. This bone which you see, it is humerus. You can see this is the upper bone of your arm, humerus bone, and from this attached two other bones. They are, this is ulna, this bone is ulna, and this one is radius. So ulna, radius, and this one is humerus. These bones are related with your hand. Now you see this bone, this is the strongest bone in your body, that is your thigh bone, or you call it as femur. So this is femur, this is the head of the femur, and this one is the neck, and after this you can see the, as tell as the shaft of the this femur. So a pair of femur bones is there in your body. This is your thigh bone. With this attached two other bones, which are attached here, and these two bones, this strong bone, this is the tibia, and this one is the fibula. Tibia, fibula, tibia, fibula, and this one is the femur. Now this is what? This is the pectoral girdle. This is pectoral girdle, which is at your shoulder. You can see this pectoral girdle. They are the pectoral girdles. Now this is known as, this is pelvis girdle. You can see okay, just a minute. See, this is pelvis girdle, which is the buttock, Now this you can easily, this is the two jaws are there, upper jaw and lower jaw, containing teeth. Upper jaw is known as maxilla and the lower one is known as mandibles. This is the collarbone and this you have already studied. This is the diagram of your skull, and as you can see your skull, it contains, this is nasal septum and this is eye orbit and this is the upper jaw, that is maxilla. When this you can see joints are shown here, these are the fixed joints, and this region is known as parietal region, frontal region, this frontal region, parietal region. Okay. Likewise different regions are there. You can study detail of it. Now when you have seen the backbone, in backbone you will able to see this structure. This is coccygous sacrum, sacrum coccygous region. Now you can see these are the fingers of your hand, and fingers of your leg, tarsals, metatarsals, and then phalanges, like here carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. These are some bones. Now here you can see a model is there. Here you can see all the vertebrae of your backbone column. As you have already studied that cervical bones are there, thoracic bones are there, lumbar bones are there. This is pelvic girdle, and this you can see the coccygous region, and from here you can see the attachment of femur. So students, the bones which are present here I have shown it to you. You can study deep about it through the diagrams. Diagrams are very minute and they show all the minute structures also here. So you can see the minute structures from your diagrams.